Okay, so here you can see it is 10 horses. There's quite a lot of them that are sort of evenly priced here, so this is a tricky one. But I've see this one here, the third one here, right? Stoic Boy. It's drifted out all the way from sixes. That one spike here has pushed the price out. And it's quite, you have to wonder why is that happening? Why is the price drifted out almost doubled in price? So if this touches here, I am going to back it with the assumption that it's going to come back in again. But I think I might have missed that entry point. I'm not going to back it here purely because I've sort of missed the value of it. And obviously there is a risk here. If I back it here, it's going to bounce back up again. And yeah, so I'm going to keep an eye on this and see what happens. But I think I've missed the boat on that one, unfortunately. These sort of races are tricky purely because there are so many horses you can see that are very evenly priced. And so it's a lot of things to look out for. And so we need to be careful with these. So obviously use small stakes. I always use small stakes in my videos just to prove to people that you can still make a very reasonable return in relation to your bank, even though you might be using very small stakes. And obviously small stakes are very scalable. So if you can learn how to trade with small stakes, you can learn how to trade with big stakes. And if you want to learn how to trade like I do, then click on the link in the description. But for now, I will jump in here with a few quick scalps just to see if I can scratch out a few ticks of profit. So you can see there, I've definitely missed the boat on the third one here. I was correct in what I was thinking, but I missed the entry. That's, poor execution on my side. But it's no biggie. At least you got the result you were hoping for, right? Which is, that's the aim of the game. I just wasn't involved in the trade. So it's coming back up now, and I'm not gonna fill this trade purely because I don't want to get caught out, because it might keep drifting now. And I've also got positions open here and these ones here as well, so I'll focus on these ones for now. So that's been taken there. It's been taken there. Might just move this one up here to scratch it, because it might push through me. Just bring up the live feed, see if there's anything happening on the track. So you can see I missed the boat twice on this one. I could have got in again. But it's no biggie. It's just comforting when you get it right. Because this sometimes catches newbies out, because it's quite difficult to sort of emotionally get over when you miss something, when you miss out on profits, because everybody, there's nothing more frustrating when you make a decision and it goes the other way, or it goes in your favor but you didn't act, right? Because, emotionally you missed out on profit. So whenever that happens, don't let it affect you, okay? Don't let it change your next decision, because it's okay, because you've got thousands of other races coming up, and you'll have another chance to get it right the next time. So don't let that affect you. What I do is, whenever I miss an opportunity like that, whenever I look at something and I think that's going to happen, but I don't act in time and I miss it, I actually stop trading that horse, because I'm aware that my previous irritation with myself will affect my judgment on this horse. So I'll then just trade other horses, purely because it is frustrating when you miss out a chance like that, because that was a big move. So had I entered at 10 there, I moved all the way down to 8s, right? And at these price increments, I would have made a nice profit, even with just a £10 bet. So the horse is about to load now. Same as always, a £1 return on a £10 stake is very nice. if you scale that up to a £100 stake, that's a £10 profit. There are over 10,000 races a year. If you can get £10 profit from every race you do, in a calm, collected manner like I just did, I mean, you're clearing £100,000 a year. So if you want to learn to trade the way I do, click on the link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.